Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, today we don't have live trading video because we are having holiday markets are closed today. So I thought it is time that I give you some education. I have to teach you something which is very important, and also I will go with the trend. In the trend in the sense of late whatever is going, based on that I'm going to explain to you what is the importance, so very big importance of selling options or nothing but writing options. Why is that I am regularly selling options? Why is that I have always told you that I love selling options? Many people keep asking me, why are you not buying options, why are you selling options? And in this video I'll explain to you what are the advantages we have in selling options, what are the myths which many are having, why is it many of them are not selling options, many of them don't know the advantages of this selling option. So all this will be covered in this particular video, so that all of you who are following the trend and all those who are trading with me along with me in Bank Nifty can think over it whether you have to buy options or whether you have to sell options. Okay friends, so before going forward, just want to tell this is a channel for all the working people. So in case if you are not subscribed still, I recommend you to please press the subscribe button and also the bell notification which you can find. You'll be getting all the notifications as soon as I post videos. There are strategies available in options, equities, commodities. There are live trading videos, but let me tell you, it's all for working people because you just have to spend 2 to 5 minutes for placing the trade. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, and in case if at all you need any support, any additional services, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. Friends, now coming to the main point. Why is that I am always selling option, and why is that I like selling options? Now I'll give you an example so that it will make you understand very easily. I'll take an example of a car or a bike. Okay, so many of them, I think 90% of you might be using a car or a bike. Okay, let us take example of bike itself, which is very common. So say for example you're buying a Pulsar bike, and when you buy a bike, the bike manufacturer will tell you that this bike will give you a mileage of around 40 kilometers per liter. Okay, I'm just putting a star, it can be anything, but if at all they say it is 40 kilometer per hour, you are driving that bike, and in case if you are able to get an additional advantage and you're able to get a mileage of 60 and 70, how will it be? And how is that you're going to get it? Okay, I'll give you an example. When I was doing my mechanical engineering, I was doing a project in which I used to keep a dynamo in this vehicles. Okay, so whenever the vehicle is moving idle or whenever the vehicle is driving with the help of the fuel, the dynamo used to get charged, and then there was a situation when the energy which is stored in the dynamo gets converted into mechanical motion. So then what happens is your fuel is getting saved, your mileage is increasing from 40 to 60. So this is nothing but hybrid. Now in these days you can find many hybrids, cars and bikes are coming that uses both batteries as well as power. I mean petrol or diesel. Now you might be telling me. I mean you might be wondering why is that he's talking about all this automobile in a trading platform. Friends, the same advantage which you're getting in a hybrid vehicle, in which you're pouring diesel, but you're getting additional mileage by the help of a battery or by the help of a dynamo. Your expectation is only 40 kilometers mileage, but what is happening is you're getting additional 20 kilometer extra mileage or 20 to 30 kilometer extra mileage because there is a dynamo or there is a battery inside. You're finding an advantage in that, right? There is always an advantage in that, right? The same thing is with option selling as well. Nothing but it is called as options writing. What happens is, as you know that in selling you will get money if you buy in the top, and if it comes down you will be making money. Is it clear? It is normal, like you're buying a equity or buying a future. You buy if you're selling a equity or selling a future. You sell a future, and as soon as it comes down you will be making money. But by selling option, what happens, there is something called as premium decay as well. This is like that dynamo which I was talking about in that vehicle. This also will add to the premium coming down. This premium decay, this is because of the theta effect. Okay, I don't want to go into Greeks because I keep it very simple. There's something called as theta, that is nothing but the premium decay. It's an alpha, I mean it's a Greek this thing word, and there are many things, alpha, omega, vega, theta. There are many things. So I don't want to confuse all those things. I just want to make you understand that there is something called as theta. What it means is that the premium keeps decreasing with two things. One is with the time. Second is, even if the volatility decreases also, the premium decay, the decay also will happen, the theta also will come into effect. Okay, so this is an additional benefit of selling option. Now if at all you want to realize this, I'll give you an example. Now when I am doing my live trading video, you would have seen that I'll be selecting both the strike prices, that is the call price as well as the sell price. And doing that, I will tell, if at all you are going to sell, you can sell this, or if at all you are going to buy, you can buy this. Now what you can do is, if at all you want to analyze this, you just check the results end of the day. For example, if you're selling a premium, how much the price would have come down. At the same time, if you're buying a premium, how much it would have increased. Okay, you will always find that selling has got more benefits, it will give more points compared to buying. Let me not confuse you. There is a call, there is a put, both I am selecting. Okay, for a particular say for example, today we are deciding that the market is going up. So if the market is going up, generally what they do, they buy a call option. But what I do, I sell a put option. Both means the same. So you can either buy the call option or you can sell the put option. So what you can do is just see, in case if you're buying the put option, how much point you're going to gain by end of the day, or otherwise you can just observe how much points you'll be making by selling the put option. It will always be, the selling will always be more than this buying. It is something which I told you with the example of the automobile. It is like you're adding a dynamo inside the motor, so in the engine, so that when the vehicle is idle, the dynamo gets charged up and then it gives an additional mileage. In the same way, by selling options, because of the theta effect, I'm not saying it happens daily. There are many rules for that to happen. But as of now, let me tell you that it has got an advantage better than the buying options. That is the reason why I sell options. And once you start doing it, friends, I would bet you that you will never give up selling options. Always you think about only selling options. Now let me clear few myths which people are having. The first and foremost thing when I tell about selling option, people say is that, sir, selling needs too much of money. Yes, I agree. Why is this? Reason is because that sometimes if at all you are not booking your loss, it can go heavyweight and then you might lose your entire capital. That is the reason why people say that selling options you need more fund. For that, what you can do is keep a bracket order. When you keep a bracket order, the fund required will be very less because you are specifying a stop loss. So when you keep a bracket, this is all I'm talking about intraday, friends. This is for intraday which I'm talking. So when you keep a bracket order, the fund required will be very less. On a normal day, people like Zerodha and all those things, they charge 14 to 15,000 rupees. Upstock also charge 14 to 15,000 rupees only for bracket orders in Bank Nifty. It's very fine, sufficient enough. Even if you want to buy futures or sell futures, you have to pay 15,000. It's almost the same money. Now, second myth which I want to clear is the thing which I already told you. Some people say that selling option is got huge risk, that is unlimited risk. The reason because, say for example, you are buying an option. The value of the premium might be 100 rupees. So in case if you are making loss, the 100 might come to 0 and you might lose the 100 rupees which you invested. But whereas in selling options, what happens, you have sold it 100 rupees and it might become 200, 300, 400, 500. So the risk is very huge. But friends, let me tell you that there is risk in everything. Even when you're walking on the road, there is risk. Now, you know that without even walking on the road, just to go outside, there is risk of corona. So risk is there everywhere, provided you need to have the perfect precaution for that. So what you have to do is just keep a stop loss. So when you keep a stop loss, what happens is that your loss is limited. Say for example, you want to lose only 100 rupees, then keep a stop loss for 100 rupees. So by this, what happens, your loss is also under control. Friends, any other doubts related to option selling, you can always WhatsApp me. You know my number is 8095876525, and I highly recommend you try selling options also. It is really beautiful, friends. Once I started selling options, I have never even given up. I'm always selling options and I'm making regular income. It's not only about what I trade, it's also because of the premium decay. I'm getting extra benefit in selling options. It is an additional income, you can say, or might be you can say the dynamo which I have got, which is making benefit. And also, if at all you look into many big peoples, many famous people, you can go through Google or you can go through YouTube, you'll understand that many people, those who are doing tradings in options in a big way, they're all doing by selling options. You hardly hear people making money by buying option. Okay friends, so by this I would say learn to sell options, remove all the blanks or the myths which you have in your mind, and start trading and start making money. Thank you and have a nice day.